What is dream? A dream is a succession of images, ideas, emotions, and sensations that usually occur involuntarily in the mind during certain stages of sleep. Humans spend about 2 hours dreaming per night, and each dream lasts around 5 to 20 minutes. The content and function of dreams have been a topic of scientific, philosophical, and religious interest throughout recorded history. Dream interpretation, practiced by the Babylonians in the 3rd millennium BCE, and even earlier by the ancient Sumerians, figures prominently in religious texts in several traditions and has played a lead role in psychotherapy. The scientific study of dreams is called oneirology. Most modern dream study focuses on the neurophysiology of dreams and on proposing and testing hypotheses regarding dream function. It is not known where in the brain dreams originate, if there is a single origin for dreams, or if multiple regions of the brain are involved, or what the purpose of dreaming is for the body or mind. The human dream experience, and what to make of it, have undergone sizable shifts over the course of history. Long ago, according to writings from Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt, dreams dictated post-dream behaviors to an extent sharply reduced in later millennia. These ancient writings about dreams highlight visitation dreams, where a dream figure, usually a deity or a prominent forebear, commands the dreamer to take specific actions and may predict future events. The brain activity capable of formulating such dreams, rare among literate people in later eras, conforms to the bicameral mentality hypothesized by Julian Jaynes as dominant into the 2nd or 1st millennium BCE. Framing the dream experience varies across cultures as well as through time.